Subscribe the channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Get ready. Start. Friends, Para. Today we all are meeting here on an important occasion. Ever since my government took over the charge, the idea of starting this trust had been engaging its attention as well as the Ministry of Human Resource Development. At last, we are successful now in translating this idea into concrete action. The trust is now being inaugurated today for the benefit of unfortunate people. I would like to say that though the proposal for this trust was put forward some time ago to look after the welfare needs of the handicapped persons, there was no concrete action to put this proposal into action. However, today I am very happy to have the privilege to inaugurate this trust. Para. When I see in front of me large number of handicapped young boys and girls, men and women, my heart is filled with deep sorrow. God has been kind enough to give good health to almost all human beings. It is unfortunate that some are handicapped by birth and some are so due to evil disease. Though there is a considerable increase in the medical facilities, we are not able to fight the evil disease, especially at birth. We are putting all efforts to fight them out. For this purpose, we here started hospitals and dispensaries with expert doctors at various centers in the districts. Para. On this occasion, I would like to stress one important aspect, that while the government shall provide all possible facilities to ensure that these people lead a happy life, we must always treat them with love and affection. At the same time, it is the duty of the society to create in their minds a sense of social security. I would appeal to all those who are gathered here today that you must always try to help the handicapped persons. Para. It is with the objective of providing livelihood to these people that this trust has been established. I am sure you are all aware that the government is giving all kinds of preference and concessions in all fields like education, employment, etc. I would therefore assure you that the government shall introduce schemes which will give gather and direct benefit to them. Para. Further, I would like to emphasize that trust established with such objectives like this should function well with discipline and sincerity of service. I am sure that this trust shall function sincerely and effectively in extending all kinds of help physical, mental, and financial, and ensure that handicapped people feel full social security and lead a satisfactory life. Para. Before I conclude my inaugural address on this important occasion, I once again convey my deep sympathy to all those handicapped persons. Thank you.